Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a postpartum soothing spray for a bit of tender love and care after giving birth. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. It really does help my channel to grow. If you've got any ideas or suggestions on videos that you would like to see of DIY projects for baby and home and zero waste living in general, then let me know in the comments section below. I really appreciate your feedback and your suggestions on the type of content that you would like me to create in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.